We're making it here on the YouTube. I've got, you've got, if you're a subscriber and you've come into this, you'll see this very eclectic mix of things on YouTube. I'm looking down here at my laptop, and I know I'm looking up there and trying to get this kind of arrangement going on. I don't have a studio. I don't have anything set up. I'm operating out of an Airbnb, so maybe someday, as I find a home, more of a permanent location to live here in the Philippines, I will come up with something fancy with a permanent light setting going on. I mean, my fill light is actually my laptop. I got this key light, I guess you could call it, up over here, key hair light. I don't have anything that's in my background light separating me and giving me any distance, but that's okay. I'm really on here because I've got my Mac email up, my Apple mail up, and I got this fancy email from Coinbase. And, it looks pretty legit. It says Coinbase, it's spelled correctly, capitalized, and got San Francisco mailing address. I'm not sure if that's the right one. I suppose I could take a look up there and see if that's what it is. So, looks legit, right? You clicked on this because it said how not to get scammed in your crypto. This is, Coinbase is one of the largest crypto exchanges that are out there. So even if you don't have a Coinbase account, you'll probably might see stuff like this and trying to get phished. They're just phishing. Maybe they know that you have an account. Maybe they don't know you have an account. I don't know how they would know that you have an account, because hopefully Coinbase doesn't have any compromises that happen like that. So let's just go right to the point. How do I quickly verify that this is not from Coinbase asking me to verify my activities? I go up here, and whatever you have to do to right click with your mouse, you click on this and you see very clearly mgstatter.blablabla.tonline.de. Definitely not Coinbase. Same thing. Reply to same crappy email address that's there. So this looks nothing like a legitimate header. This doesn't have even the correct details that are in here. I'm not sure. Maybe they bought an email list of some time or whatever, whatever scammers have this. So there you have it. And this is not just one other tip that I would give is do not use an email address that actually has your name in it when you're working in the crypto world. The other thing that you can use, there's a way to verify your logins, and there's a application that you can get on here. Whatever you choose to do, there's one in the Google store. There's an authenticator that happens to be on that, and it'll ask you to put in a code. There's other ways that they will do that, where they're sending to your email address, which you have registered with whatever crypto exchange that you're using, that can send you a one-time code to do that. There's other ways that they use that to verify authentication. But if you get an email from Coinbase and it looks like it's legit, it's probably not. I usually get emails from Coinbase that say, hey, you got a transaction took place or whatever, and I verify that I did that. I don't verify that by clicking a link. I go to the website. I said most of the time, all of the time, if you get an email and you think something is weird, go and log in like you normally do into your account and check to see if it truly is blocked, because normally they will, if there is some problem or whatever that they have in it, they're going to have a message in your account stuff or whatever. Very rarely, if ever, I don't think they will ever send you something. And for goodness sake, if it's an unsolicited email, do not click on links that are in that. And that's your free advice for me, World Light Chaser. If you like my comment, if you like any of my content, if you don't like my content, you can a down is good as well. I think any engagement is great. But like and subscribe, and we will have more stuff. Traveling light, World Light Chaser, digital nomad type stuff. I post a lot of funny shorts and things like that. So check them out. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna click off of this and hopefully upload this.